So let's start from scratch. We'll start with 25 degree. I'm reducing the speed a little, 17 meter per second, and let's fire the ball. It covers certain distance. We are not measuring it. Okay, increase the angle 35 degree. Again launch it. It has to cover long distance according to the rule, and it is covering. What do you think would happen at 45 degree? Will it go still longer?
Maximum range.
Yeah, maximum range. Now it will go highest distance. Okay. Now your turn. I'm increasing it another 10 degree, 55 degree. Remember this was 35 and now it is 55. कहाँ तक जाएगा? यहाँ पे लैंड करेगा. दिस इज सेकंड पॉसिबिलिटी एंड दिस इज थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी. कहाँ पर आएगा? सेकंड पोजीशन पे. लेट्स सी हाइट ज़्यादा हुआ तो रेंज थोड़ा कम हो गया. राइट. वंस मोर 10 डिग्री ज़्यादा, 65. अभी कहाँ पे आएगा? यहाँ पर.
फर्स्ट.
Okay. Now can you tell, have we studied any illustration in context to this? Galileo's law of equal distances. पता है टेक्स्ट में वो था? ऑड नंबर वाला नहीं था. हाँ वो था चैप्टर 4 में. लेट मी शो यू. This is which one? This. Galileo's for elevations which exceeds or fall short of 45 degree by equal amounts, the ranges are equal. Have you solved this or not? Yes, we have solved it. Mathematically we have proved. And right now what we are seeing is, remember this was for 35 degree. Do you remember? No, it was for 25 degree. This was for, bolo before it lands, 35. This was of 45. This was of
55.
and this was of 65. So if you consider this is for 45. So this was 10 degree less. If I show annotations, so this was 10 degree less on this side and here 10 degree more, right? So इसके लिए जो भी distance आया range, same range is for this also. So for this 35 degree or for 55 degree, range is, if you could see, it is reaching here. This is for 35 degree and this was for 45 degree. Do you get it? Same way, this was for 25 and this is 65. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो था गैप, वो एंगल था 20 डिग्री का डिफरेंस. यहाँ पर भी कितना डिफरेंस है? 20 degree. So once more, in both the cases, for 25 degree this is the range, and same is for 65 degree. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी 45 डिग्री पे रखता हूँ and I'll be showing you components. Okay. You will observe this animation carefully and then you will answer my question. Okay. Let's fire it. Okay. Let me see what's the. Okay. I'm again launching it. Observe it again carefully. What they have tried to show. Okay, did you see there was a horizontal arrow and vertical arrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which arrow was not changing at all?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. So shall we conclude that it was horizontal velocity vector, and we studied in projectile motion that projectile always moves with constant horizontal velocity. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the part of the definition itself.
Yes.
Okay. Now did you observe that vertically the arrow is earlier pointing upward, turning into smaller size, 0 size, now pointing downward, bigger, bigger and bigger. What was it? Which vector it was?
Hello, sir.
Yes?
The yogi is in waiting.
Vidisha? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you just keep an eye, a small tiny window to keep it open where the waiting room is seen. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, I repeat, let's launch it again. Horizontally it is constant velocity, vertically it is accelerated velocity, accelerated motion. Okay. Now look at the total velocity vector will also be shown. See. Again I am repeating it. It is bigger, smaller, smaller, aligned with the horizontal, bigger, bigger and bigger. ठीक है? Okay. If you consider air resistance, what do you think? Will it travel the same level?
No, sir.
Okay. It should cover shorter distance. See, slightly it is shorter. Okay. Is it fine? Clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can try this. Okay, this site is phet.colorado.edu. You will find physics, chemistry, maths, many interactive animations. Okay. There was motion in 2D. Yeah. Let's hope it runs. Do you know which operating system I'm using? Hello, maths group students, future engineers and scientists.
Linux.
Linux. And which flavor it is? Ubuntu. Okay, it is initializing. Do you see the motion? It is smooth motion is seen, or do you find it is jerky? Hello.
Sir, can you pardon?
Yeah, when I showed the animation few minutes back, cannonball was fired. Did you say the motion was smooth, or was it intermittent, jittery motion?
Was
Hello, was it smooth or jittery?
it was smooth, sir.
Smooth, okay. ये देखो, if I am applying force, it moves and then stops. Okay, let's say linear acceleration. It moves in the direction of force, accelerates, stops. Force is applied, accelerates, force stops, object stops. Let's say circular motion, right? Okay, we want more controls, acceleration scale, time scale. Okay, can you tell what the red arrow and the blue arrow represents here?
Blue arrow shows the acceleration on down towards the circle, and green arrow shows the acceleration towards the circular motion.
So this is, if I could pose it, I couldn't. Okay, this blue one is centripetal acceleration, and the other one perpendicular to it is
Direction.
velocity. It is velocity vector, and the blue one is acceleration vector. ठीक है? This is acceleration, this is velocity, and these both are mutually perpendicular. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now force and motion. So these are little system heavy. Okay. Uh, Fine. let's apply the force, our favorite 10 Newton force, and फोर्स लगा है, कुछ बात नहीं बन रही है, राइट? फोर्स को बढ़ाते हैं। अभी थोड़ा स्टार्ट होके रुक गया। अच्छा, 30 न्यूटन फोर्स लगाते हैं। Why it is not moving? Your turn. It is on the wood. It is on the wood. Let's there is no friction, then it gets moved. Do you see it is going faster and faster?
Yes, sir.
Remember, surface is frictionless. Why it is going faster and faster?
Because there is no friction.
There is no friction. Okay, is on that wooden block, this block, this fellow is applying force? It's not getting clear. Reset all. Okay, chalo. I will select the surface frictionless, so ice. Let's apply the force of 30 Newton. What is this downward arrow with Fg written?
Gravitational force.
Gravitational force. What is Fn?
Normal force.
Normal force. From where it came? Newton's third law. If Fg is action, Fn is reaction. Right? Okay. Let's stop it. Force को बढ़ा देते हैं 60. Now you will find the same phenomena happening but much quickly, faster, faster and faster. Do you see there are few arrows? One arrow is horizontally. If I can make it bigger. See this arrow rightward, and there is one arrow leftward. Now total force has become 0 and the block will not move. Right? Okay. Let's make the wall bouncy. First we'll reset. Let's reload. What is the relation between mass and acceleration? Sorry, mass, acceleration and force. What is the connection? फोर्स ज़्यादा लगाएंगे तो एक्सेलरेशन ज़्यादा होगा कि कम होगा?
ज़्यादा होगा।
ज़्यादा होगा.
And as mass becomes less, then what happens to the acceleration?
Acceleration will be more.
More. This is called free body diagram. All forces are shown acting from the same point. Applied force को हम बढ़ाते हैं 177. Walls are now made bouncy. Okay. And Force is becoming 0. अच्छा, फोर्स को होल्ड करके रखते हैं तो ही बात बनेगी. आई एम होल्डिंग द 314 न्यूटन. Okay, now let's make the wall bouncy. And apply the force. Walls are made up of brick. Let's make it bouncy. Now it is traveling with uniform speed. Do you see that? Though
Yes,
nobody is
sir.
pushing it. Why is it so?
There is no friction.
There is no friction. So जिस speed earlier था, that continues throughout the journey. After bouncing with the wall, it returns with the same speed. Direction gets changed. This fellow is invisible. Okay, so it can pass through it, and it's coming back. Did you listen the sound when it collides with the wall? Some sound should come in your right ear. Came? Okay, never mind. If friction would have been there, that part we'll do it later on. Okay, this also we'll do later. Robot moving company. Our motto: apply force, deliver object, leftover energy equal to points. Okay, so I am pressing right hand key, right hand arrow, so it should have reached the home comfortably. Okay, if I release the key, okay, it is delivered. So file cabinet delivered easily. Total point mean 250. Okay, in your free time play with that. It will tell you what is the role of friction, कितना force देना पड़ेगा, so that you save on the energy which you will spend on making this file cabinet move from left to right. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now you have got a sleepy dog. Kinetic friction which is going to oppose is 0.5, and points for making it reach there is 500. Okay, so spend some time on that. You should enjoy it. Okay. This is one more game, Lunar Lander. Okay. This will not run on my laptop. Okay, because it is Java enabled. But remember this word lunar lander. If you are an astronaut and you have to land that spaceship on the surface of moon, how much thrust you need to apply? Pendulum we have not studied. Ramps, forces and motion, the ramp. Let's start this. Okay, there is a animation.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I'm not able to see that side window so that I can admit anyone. And I think Aryan is in waiting room.
Is it? Okay, let me Aryan admit. Okay, I'm putting small window open in my laptop. Okay. How many minutes left?
2.
So let's see what we can do in okay. $100. Let me apply the force. Is now started moving. Now to climb it up, you need more force. See, he slowed down. I need to apply more force to make him move. We'll come back to these animations later on when we study नीचे आया. Now he'll speed up. Okay, so here we have to understand what is the role of force of friction. थोड़ा intricate part है, but we'll discuss that in the end part of the chapter. Okay, when we come across friction. Okay, so what I suggest, do you see this site, fat.colorado.edu?